Some people really prefer fruit flipping. Too much sugar. Yeah. Good afternoon, welcome to the vlog. Half the day has already passed by. It's crazy. I just woke up and I did a quick short and uploaded that, and then we went to the grocery store. Did a really nice weekend shop. We've been planning for a few fun meals, which I'm really excited to cook this weekend. Then I had a big bowl of cereal with half an apple in there, a few nuts to kind of make it a bit more balanced and nourishing. I used this Special K with little yogurt bits. This used to be my favorite as a kid. I freaking love that. So I hadn't had that in years. It was so nice to eat that again. Loved it. That was obviously a lot of quick carbs before my workout to fuel me, which is good because I actually ended up hitting like a new PR, personal record, on one of my exercises. Feeling strong. And now I'm making a little snack with lots of protein to feed my muscle. And hello, if you're new here, my name's Alice. I'm 27 years old, Swedish, live in Canada. Been here for, I guess, about 3 months now. 2 months in this apartment. Before that, I lived in Berlin for 5 years, and now I'm here. I don't know. You're as confused as I am, I bet. Wait, I'm as confused as you are. Let's make a snack. Okay, so the high protein snack I'm making is cilbir. Cilbir? I'm probably not pronouncing that right, correct me if I'm wrong. But it's also known as Turkish eggs. It's a base of like a thick yogurt. I got this, it was on sale. 9 grams of protein. And you're gonna put that with some garlic. I used 3 cloves here, which is a lot, honestly. And some salt and pepper to make it a savory garlic yogurt. And then normally you would put poached eggs, I think, but I just did soft-boiled eggs. And then I remembered I had some sook in the freezer, which is like a green pepper, garlic, cumin, olive oil paste or condiment. I made it with jalapenos, lots and lots of garlic. Oh, coriander, fresh coriander, and it's so good. Normally, I think you would put some sort of herby green sauce plus chili butter. I usually used to make that with like Kashmiri chili. Just add that into some melted butter. I don't have that at home right now, but oh. And I'm gonna eat this with some bread. Already boiled the eggs. All that's left is put together the yogurt and then eat it. Yeah. No! It's coconut flavored. No! You knew? Guys, did you also know? Did you see the coconut on it? Because I did not. It blended into it. That looks like a vanilla bean or something. What am I supposed to do? Okay, but to be fair, I don't know. Honestly, it tastes so much like coconut. You can't even taste the garlic. Which is like, dude, I might still eat. I may still go through with the plan because I'm so hungry. And I need protein. I don't want to waste the yogurt. Guys, that's such a funny mistake. I'm just too hungry though. It's funny because I was so excited to make this and like make it all like aesthetic. Now I didn't even care to like wipe the sides, but maybe it's not too bad because coconut, I feel like coconut's used in some savory stuff too, but the yogurt is pretty sweet. It's not bad enough to throw away though, so let's see how it is. Okay, I'm getting a bit of egg, bit of yogurt, I put a bit of chili crisp on top too. Bro, it's not bad. It's like not amazing either. Would be so much better without the sweet coconut flavor. Obviously, it's a bit weird, but it's fine. Okay, I kind of need a chaser after that. The last couple of bites were kind of hard to get down, but I didn't force myself too much. But anyway, let's have a snack. These are like Krispy Kreme donuts, but banana shaped for some reason. And now I'm done with work and all my workouts for the entire week. I got the weekend ahead and I'm gonna do whatever I want. We got good meals planned. We saw a poster for open air cinema tomorrow. And I want to cook some recipes out of the Harry Potter cookbook. So it's gonna be a cozy weekend. Donut. Oh no. Yeah. We're doing a soda run. Let's go. All dressed. Cool. Okay, I got a root beer A&W Zero, and fun fact, A&W root beer doesn't actually have any caffeine, so it's perfect in the evening. Treat myself. I only had root beer like once in Sweden. It was from like an American import candy shop. It's not really common in Sweden, and I remember not liking it. I only tried it because I saw other people online drinking it, like YouTubers and stuff. But when coming here, I tried it again and I love it. It's like vanilla-y. Yeah, it's very vanilla-y. I don't know how else to describe it, but with like more of a depth to it, kind of candy vanilla-y. Oh yeah. It almost has some sort of medicinal notes too. I'm not sure. It's so good. And it's so good as like a float with ice cream. That's a classic soda float with root beer. They have that at Shake Shack and it's so good. Tonight for dinner, I'm making fajitas, Friday night dinner. I'm actually not sure if I ever made it, but I saw one of my favorite vloggers, Swedish one, Ros, that's her name. She was making fajitas in her latest vlog and I got a strong craving for it. I'm doing 2 red bell peppers and onion. Wait, this is not how I usually cut them. I don't know why I started doing it this way right now. This way is fine too. Oh yeah, I normally go like this. And then just remove the whole seed thing. Like that. Just strips. What's your guys' favorite soda? Let me know in the comments. Bruh, you didn't see that. Two bell peppers, one big onion, and I'm gonna use chicken thighs, right? Yeah, chicken thighs. I kind of wanted to find the ones that were already skinless and boneless, but I could only find this. So I'm gonna have to do some sort of operation here. Do I pat them dry? I think I can just rip off the skin. Yes, I saw the other girl do that. I turned this into that. That's the skin and bone. I'm just gonna do that with the rest and then we'll get cooking. If you're new here, I actually started this channel as a pescatarian, and even before that I was vegetarian for maybe 8 years, since I was 17. But I just wanted to start eating some meat again for various reasons, and that's why I'm like starting to learn how to cook meat basically for the first time, because when I still ate meat as a teenager, I wasn't doing much of the cooking. Basically learned to cook as a vegetarian the first time in life. I've been eating lots of vegetarian foods this week, lots of beans, lots of tofu. I love eating mostly veggies still, but on weekends I want to try something new. I was really tempted by those fajitas, and yeah, that's why I'm cooking fajitas. Nick was craving lamb, so tomorrow we're gonna make some lamb. That's it, yeah. Cooking with a not cast iron, stainless steel. I got this from IKEA, and how you know it's where to cook with, you probably already know this, but you heat it up and you just do this. This is not ready yet because it should like not disintegrate like that, but just like roll around in the pan. It's starting to get there. I think I'm just gonna do some oil this time. And oh shoot, that is gonna be hot. Okay, where's my spatula? Actually, where's the spatula? Dang, the spatula is lost. That immediately smells like chicken. Did I add salt right now? I don't know. I don't know how. And I think I just want some color on this before adding the veggies. Let them cook for a bit, and then the fajita mix, and then we're done. Maybe I overcrowded the pan a little bit. That's okay. I think it seems pretty much done. I thought it would be way more orange, but at least this consistency seems right and it looks cooked. I'm gonna taste it and then we'll see. Ooh. I finished watching the vlog where I got the fajita inspo, and I realized she had sour cream, cheese, corn, and fresh coriander. Oh, that would have been so good. Honestly, it was really, really good still, but with those things, yeah, even better, of course. We're just thinking about what movie to watch for tonight. Nick, what are the options? Midnight Cowboy, Eyes Wide Shut, The Godfather 1, The Godfather Part 2, the 3 Days of the Condor. We'll see what we watch. We've been wanting to eat these cheese crackers and marmalade for so long, but we keep forgetting about it. Tonight's the night. Seems like everything I'm cooking this weekend is going more or less wrong. This is less wrong. And we're not even gonna talk about yesterday. Yeah. The smoked cheese and salsa go really well together. The salsa is really good. Ended up getting a couple things from Salvation Army, but I'll do a little haul later on. Actually went home, rested for a bit, had leftovers for lunch, and now we're out on another walk. Sun came out. It's a nice day, but I'm excited to get back home as well and just do some baking and cooking. Blue steel?
Blue steel.
I can't do it. Back home, and I just woke up from one of those involuntary naps. Do you ever get those? I just like lay down, I scroll my phone a little bit, but I'm so tired, my eyes just can't do anything but close my eyes and drift away for 20-30 minutes. It's so good. It's my favorite. I love a good nap. If you've been watching me, you'll recognize this from a couple vlogs back. It's the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook, but it has so many good Harry Potter style recipes. I want to make some cookies. Hold up. And not just any cookies. I'm talking rock cakes. Hagrid's rock cakes. And it's really cute how this book is like designed. It's like in the order of the books as the food is shown, I guess. Okay, chapter 1 is good food with bad relatives. And it's whatever food we saw in the first movie at the Dursleys. So like starts with English fried eggs and stuff. Ooh, old-fashioned chocolate buttermilk sheet cake. Petunia's pudding. And then it goes on to like, let's see. Yes, chapter 2. Delights down the alley. So it's Diagon Alley, pumpkin pasties, ice cream sundaes, all this cute stuff. going through basically all the books, I think. But for the rock cakes, Hagrid's rock cakes, it also says a little bit about them and where you can find them in the books. So this one's from the Sorcerer's Stone, but also mentioning Goblet of Fire and the Half-Blood Prince. And this is what it says. Rock cakes. This treat, if the word may be applied to something Hagrid made, is often found in his pantry, as is mentioned no less than 3 times in the Harry Potter series in relation to Hagrid. Although Hagrid's rock cakes were nothing to write home about, you'll find these to be quite tasty. And it looks like they're like cinnamon raisin cookies. And seems fairly easy, so let's give it a go and see if these are any good. Oh, it also says, rock cakes, standard with tea, look like but don't taste like rocks. Unless, of course, you leave them out for several days, which is probably what Hagrid did. Rock cakes have a short history and seem to have been invented by the Victorians. Interesting. I'm gonna start by preheating the oven, because that takes so long. 350 Fahrenheit. Alrighty-o. Cinnamon, yes. 1 egg, butter, milk. Okay, it says to start weighing at the dry. 2 cups flour. Half a cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon. Oh, and the cinnamon. How much? Half. 1 big half a teaspoon. Yum. Stir it together. Honestly, my oven takes so long to preheat, so I might have to wait for the next step. Oh, so that I can just bake them immediately. I don't want to let the egg sit on the counter for too long. It actually finished. I didn't even have to wait. It's been like 1 minute. Let's add the butter. It says 1 stick or 8 tablespoons, 113 grams. So we're gonna wait. Let's see how much this is. 80, 100, 110, 130. Nice. This is a recipe where you want cold butter until the mixture reaches the consistency of wet sand. 1/3 cup. Okay, this should form a stiff dough. It smells like cinnamon and sugar and all the things nice. Okay, seems good. Tablespoon full. But how many is this making? I don't think it says. Makes 12. Okay. I really hope they come out delicious and yummy. Do you guys like cinnamon raisin, or would you rather have put like chocolate chips and vanilla? I like both. I'm actually gonna put them on 2 sheets so to make sure they have enough room. They should be ready. Oh, so cute. This is perfect. This is what I hope for. They have not spread at all, basically. Yes, browned on the bottom. That's what it said. That's when they're done. Nice. They look great. These smell delicious and look so much fun. Okay, let's finally try this cookie. It's like crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, not too sweet. Kind of scone-esque. Really nice. And the raisin's really like soft and plump. It's time for dinner, and I'm gonna make 3 recipes out of the Harry Potter cookbook. And we're gonna do roast potatoes with garlic and rosemary, Yorkshire pudding, which I've never even had, but we have like oven pancake in Sweden, so it might be similar. And then there's also a recipe for classic gravy, which I will try. And then Nick will be in charge of the lamb. So I'll just take care of the sides. I'm gonna start with the potatoes. They need to be in the oven for 40 minutes. Let's do it. All right, let's make the Yorkshire pudding. I'm a bit nervous about it, but I think it's gonna be okay. The potatoes are actually done, but I'm gonna add them in at the end to reheat them when the Yorkshire pudding is almost done. So apparently I need to put this tin with oil in the oven. I'm a bit nervous it's gonna leak, but I'll put it on another tray like that with a bit of oil. 2 tablespoons, I'm gonna eyeball it. 1, 2, maybe more. Reheating that. Yorkshire pudding. Flour, salt, eggs, butter, melted. Okay. I didn't wash my measuring cup, so oh god. I'm gonna Google the weights instead. 1 cup flour in grams. 125. Okay. How much salt? Half a teaspoon. Eyeball that. Then it says to combine the eggs and milk and stuff in a separate thing, but I'm gonna do it all in here. And I know how you normally make pancakes, you put a bit of milk, then the eggs, and more milk. So that's what I'm gonna do. How much is 1 cup of milk in grams, I wonder? 240. I think I'll put 100. I guess I can put 120 now. 122. Whisk that together. That's a paste. Maybe I could put a bit more of the milk actually. 122, let's put 160. What's 240 minus 160? I can think about this. 64 plus 4, 80. Milk. I'm gonna pour this batter into hot oil right now. Oh, it's bubbling! Back in the oven. Okay, the oil is coming out. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, in the oven, 10 minutes at 450, then I'll lower it to 350 for another 10 minutes. Reheat the potatoes. Great. Okay, I'm having one bite here with you guys, and then I'm gonna go eat at my desk. We have yet to get a dining table, that's why. The potatoes turned out amazingly. Wait. You see that? Yes. So easy, so good. Oh. Mint. Mint jelly, I've never had. I know it's common with lamb, right? This is lamb loin. You've never cooked this before. Looks good. I'm gonna just have that with a bit of gravy and mint jelly. You did a really good job. And the Yorkshire pudding kind of deflated. But it's good. Yum. This is a really nice Saturday meal. All that's missing is like maybe a green vegetable. We were thinking about asparagus, but potato is a vegetable. I'm gonna go enjoy this. So good. Plan out a nice Saturday dinner for yourself this week and enjoy. Good morning. Just a mini coffee today. I moved my desk just to try it out, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Today is Sunday, and I'm really happy that we got nice leftovers to eat, rock cakes, and I think I'm gonna make a vegetable-filled yellow curry tonight with rice and tofu. I've been craving more vegetables. We had the fajitas with a good amount of veggies, but I want to meal prep more. Not exactly meal prep, but prep ingredients and prep maybe a few things to make it easier throughout the week, like carrot sticks, a bean spread, vegetable pancakes, stuff like that, so I can just grab veggie packed snacks and make it easier. I'm thinking about making a what I eat in a day focused on prep for easy balanced eating or something like that. What I eat in a day, prep to eat more vegetables and protein. I don't know. Prepping for ease and balance. But that will probably be like one more vlog before I do that one, probably. And other than that, I'm just gonna do lots of planning. I'll start a vision board, might go down to the river, do some journaling, Sunday kind of stuff. What do you guys like to do on a Sunday? Do you have any different ways to set up for the week? I think we'll go on a little walk. It's sunny now. Here I notice it's kind of gray and rainy in the mornings, and I kind of wish it's gonna go on all day, but it gets sunny in the afternoon, which is also nice. But I think it would have been better if it was like flipped, like a sunny morning and then a gray afternoon, evening. But it's during the summer. I'm just looking forward to fall here. It's gonna be so nice. I've had a long summer this year, but I'm trying to enjoy the weather as it is, of course. made a comforting curry this Sunday. I love making curries and stews and soups. It's like the most, like when I'm overwhelmed or drained, I love making a big pot of something. Lots of veggies. I made this like the most simple way possible, but so good. So good and comforting. Big old curry. And you take a little bit of a few vegetables and you still get a big pot of curry that's gonna last you a few days. I love that. I love that kind of cooking. I'm gonna continue my chill Sunday. Hello, future editing Alice here, coming to you because I realized I didn't really say goodbye. It's been 34 degrees today and I'm sipping on my second Dr. Pepper Zero. But anyway, I hope y'all are doing amazingly. I'm gonna finish up this vlog for y'all and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!